Cine merge la cinema câștigă. Câte bilete, atâtea premii. Vino la film la Cinema City până pe 31 august. Răzuiești și primești unul dintre cele 1,3 milioane de premii. Poți câștiga pe loc bilete la film, popcorn și nachos, premii de la McDonald's și Mars. În plus te așteaptă espresoare Nespresso, biciclete Pegas și marele premiu un sejur în Mauritius de la Etruria. Detalii pe cinemacity.ro. Nu uita, toate biletele sunt câștigătoare.
Vara asta, cu Orange Prepay, ai distracție peste măsură. Primești nelimitat minute naționale și net, bonus la opțiunea Prepay aleasă.
Ciorba! Uite ceva nou! Bulgăraș de savoare de la Delicat. Atenție! Timpul trece! Arată atât de bine și natural. Ce aromă intensă! Pot vedea și bucățile de legume. Sunt sigură că bulgărașii vor da ciorbei gustul de legume preferat de familia mea. Delicios! Câștigătoare este ciorba gătită cu bulgăraș de savoare. Ce gust minunat de legume! Noul bulgăraș de savoare, gustul adevărat de legume. Hai să spui wow! În curând descoperi crema ta. Pregătește-te să spui wow cu Nivea.
Apărată de iarnă vreau! Apă verde cu sănătate de fată! Aruncați de sus! La-i tăriu 1. Zuna de săpadă e vecină cu mine! Cine face o magie ca să fim sănătoși! Iată! Pentru mama mea și tata mea și pentru pisica!
Copiii au decis, noi facem să se întâmple. Vino la Telecom și ia-ți telefonul Huawei P8 Lite la numai 1 leu. În plus primești bonus 1 GB de net lunar pe viață și televiziune online pentru toată familia. Te așteptăm în magazine. Telecom. Experiențe împreună.
O leacă de sus!
Porții!
Hei, sunt eu, Red. Bine ați venit pe insula Păsărilor. Nu-s multe schimbări. Sigur, sunt încă eroi. Iar războiul cu Leonard și porcii o să mă doară o leacă. Nu pare să se fie prea curând. Și păsări neroade. Porcii ăștia! Cred că porcii și păsările vor fi dușmani mereu.
Bonjurică! Vin cu câte pași! Măleu! Red, știu că a fost gârșeam între noi, dar uite că am dat de o a treia insulă.
Activați arma!
Și pun la cale să le termine limități. Legătura așa mare acum vine. Trebuie să lăsăm gârșeama deoparte și să lucrăm împreună.
O să arăte de noi?
Anul acesta, fiecare dintre voi a fost ales pentru că e cel mai bun pe parcela lui. Alții l-am găsit.
Trebuie să fim pregătiți pentru orice, așa cum asistentul meu urma să spună.
Asistent? Și asistent!
Ok.
Dacă Pinic n-a pe vina ta!
Cei mai mari dușmani.
Eu sunt șeful. Ba, eu sunt șeful. Răzbun! Mănânc pământul.
Fac o echipă de groază.
Gata, băieți, hai să o facem.
Asta e echipă strașnică pentru care am lucrat eu non-stop. Ai, și ne-au păcălit.
Everybody know filmul. Vom intra neobservați și vom dezactiva arma.
Ce m-a dat alea mici și vulturi pasnic? Trebuie să jucăm cartelul. Și faceți voi acolo jos. Pleacă! Și acum își fac cartela.
Da, eu o să...
În curând. Everything the light touches is our kingdom. But a king's time as ruler rises and falls like the sun. One day, the sun will set on my time here and will rise with you as the new king.
It's simple at first. Home is the only place you know, and everyone there is your family. My first home was full of cats, and I'm a dog. Cats had sharp claws and made a funny tummy sound when they were happy. The kittens had a mother cat, and I had a mother dog. I couldn't imagine that life could get any better. As I grew, we made a home together. We were happy for a while.
Wow, look at all of them. Oh, you didn't tell me there were so many. Just grab them. Hey, I want over here. Here, fast. I got over there, over there. Oh, hey, there's dogs here too.
Brother!
Why'd you go back there? Here you go. Another one?
Sister!
Got it. There's a full-grown pit bull. There you go. See? See? Got her.
Mother!
No, hell. Get a bigger crate. Come out.
Mother! I never saw her again. I don't know what would have happened to me without Mother Cat. by day, little by little, Mother Cat became my mother.
Hey,
Hey!
it's just here.
Okay. We left work early so we could be basically, what, breaking and entering?
It's not breaking and entering, Olivia. It's criminal trespass. There's a difference.
Okay, so like 2 years in prison and sentence 6. Got it. I'm good.
Anyway, come on. You can't say to the guy rescuing kittens isn't hot.
Oh, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying you're not hot.
Thanks. Here, come on. They're under here.
Seriously? Lucas, I'm not going in that hole.
You're the animal rescue volunteer. Don't have to crawl in. Just take a look.
There's so many of them.
Yeah. Apparently animal control came. They didn't get them all. Now, Mildred says he's going to tear down the whole block. Cats or no cats.
Men took my dog family, but this man named Lucas was different. He came every day, and the cats trusted him. And before I could even think, my paws were moving. Wait!
Lucas! Look, a puppy! Oh my god!
What are you doing here, baby girl?
And he tasted good too. He's really cute. It will not be hard finding you a home.
Well, wait. You saw how she ran right to me. Maybe that's a sign that her home's supposed to be with me.
Lucas, you cannot take care of a dog, okay? What do you do when you go to school or the VA?
Listen, I actually live with my mom. It's not how it sounds. She's a veteran. You might have seen her at the VA. Terry Ray?
Yeah.
Well, she isn't able to hold down a job just yet, so she's at home even when I'm not. So maybe a puppy would be good for her, too.
Nothing had ever felt as good as being held by him.
Tess really seemed to like you a lot. What do you see in him that I don't love?
Hey, you! Get out of there!
Go.
It's private property!
I'll see you later, okay?
Bye.
Bye.
Hi, Mom.
Hi.
I think I'm gonna call her Bella.
Honey, you know we can't have a puppy. Our lease has no pets.
They say a dog is good for depression.
Who says that?
Oh, I'm pretty sure somebody says that.
Is this going to be one of those things I say is a terrible idea and you do it anyway?
Yeah. And who do you suppose I learned that from?
Lucas and I played the best games.
Bella, get the ball.
We played Get the Ball.
Stop.
We played Stop.
Stop. I have to study. Here. Have my blanket.
It smelled amazing, just like Lucas. We played Don't Choose Shoes.
Bella, don't you shoes.
And there was my favorite game of all.
What? What do you want? I'm trying. Oh, do you want a tiny piece of cheese?
That tiny piece of cheese filled me with such a strong feeling, like I was safe and happy and warm all at once. It was love.
Gotta go. Gotta go to work. Bye, Bella.
The one game I didn't like was Go to Work.
Be good.
My Lucas blanket kept me company, but it wasn't the same as the real Lucas. I still had my cat family, and Lucas became part of that family too.
Mother Cat! I love Mother Cat, and I love being Bella.
As you were, cats.
See you tomorrow.
Bedtime bell. Bye.
At the end of every day, we play
You ready for your
tiny piece of cheese.
on your blanket? Alright, Bella.
Lucas was my person, and I was his dog. I was home. There's one thing I know about the world. It's not the little things that matter. It's the tiny things.
Oh, do you want a tiny piece of cheese?
Yes, yes, cheese is my life.